the graph of a different graph of a function. One is constant function. Okay, so constant function means y equal to f of x equal to c. C is a constant. Either it may be positive or negative. Okay, now this is a graph. What are the value of x? Y is a constant. Now this is a constant. If c is a positive, upper half plane. If c is a negative, lower half plane. If c is a positive, upper side. This is x dash, y dash. This is the origin. Okay. If c is a positive, now this one. Now, what is the domain of the function? Domain of the function. F is a mapping from real number to real number. Okay. F is mapping from real number to real number. What is the domain of the function? Is real number. Or you can say minus infinite to plus infinite. X is the domain. This is x. This is x. This is x. And range of the function equal to c. जो भी if c equal to 2, so 2. If c equal to 3, 3. Okay, easy to start. Okay, next one is now identity function. Identity function means y equal to f of x equal to x, or f of x equal to x. Okay, or y equal to f of x equal to x implies y equal to x. Now this is a curve x dash, y dash. This is a line is passed through the origin. Okay. Now for x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to, y equal to. Identity means already discussion about the identifying identity relation. A, B, B, C, C, D, D are the identity relation. Now if x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Okay. If x equal to 1, y equal to 1. If x equal to 2, y equal to 2. If x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 1, minus 2. Now what is the domain of the function? If x is a positive, so minus infinity to plus infinity. X is the domain. What is the range? Is y. Is also y. Is upper, lower. So minus infinity to plus infinity. Or you can say write real number, or you can say write real number. This is a definition of identity function. What is the identity function? Now here f of x equal to y, or y equal to f of x equal to x. Okay, identity means x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 2. Okay, what is the domain of the function? Is a real number. And what is the range of function? Is also real number. Now next one is, now what is the modulus function? Modulus function means f of x equal to mod x. This is a modulus, or you can say Paramomanam. Okay. Now modulus function. Now modulus function equal to, already know that in first year x. If x is greater than 0, 0. If x equal to 0, minus x. If x is less than 0. Now this is a curve. When x equal to 0, this is a x dash, y dash, this is a 0. Now this is a y equal to mod x equal to this one. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. When x is greater than 0, when x is less than 0, is this one. Okay. Now this is a graph of a modulus function. This is very, very important for continuity and differentiability and derivative integration and area of the curve. Because if you do not know function, then how to draw a graph and find the area of the curve. Okay. Now this is the mod x. What is the domain of the function? Is x is real number, minus infinity to plus infinity. This is open interval, not closed interval. Open interval means exclude the end point. Okay. Closed interval means include the end point. Okay. Now next one is range of the function only r positive, or you can write this is closed interval, include the 0 to infinite. This one only positive, only upper side. Y is a positive. Here x is y is a positive and negative. That's why minus into plus in infinite. Here only positive. If c is a 2 or 3 or 5 is 5. Okay. Now this is the domain and range of the function. Now next one is greatest integer function, or you can say step function. Step function. Okay. Very important. Okay. Now here f of x equal to, this is a greatest function, is defined by n plus k, or you can write 0 is less than equal to x is less than 1. 1 is less than equal to x is less than 2. 2 is less than equal to x is less than 3. Or minus 1 less than equal to x less than 0. Minus 2 is less than equal to x is less than minus 1, or you can say n plus k. Okay, k belongs to integer. Okay. Now here Okay. Now this is a graph. When y equal to 0, when x equal 0 to 1, this is a 0, this is a 1, this is a 2, 0, 1, 2, let us say this is a 3, this is a 1, 2, and this is a 3, this is a minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Now y equal to 0 when x equal to 0 to 1. Then 1 to 2, 2 to 3, or minus 1, 0 to minus 1, or you can say this is a step function. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 3, step 4. So this is a step function. This is a step function. Okay. Now next one is what is the domain and range of the function. Now domain of the function equal to minus infinity plus infinite, because x belongs to real number. And what is the range of the function? Only integer. 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 . So is that this is the domain and this is the range. Domain of the function and this is the range of the function. Okay. Now next one is now so the greatest integer function are some important tips. Okay. Now first one is greatest integer of x plus k equal to greatest integer of x plus k for any integer k and x belongs to real number. Okay. Now greatest integer of minus n equal to minus of greatest integer of n when n belongs to integer. Now greatest of minus x equal to minus of greatest of x minus 1 when x belongs to real number. Now greatest of x plus greatest of minus x equal to minus 1 if x is not belongs to integer, and 0 if x belongs to integer. Okay. Now for example, let us say the first one, x belongs to real number, let us say 1 by 2, let us say, and k is integer, let us say 3. Okay. So what is the value of this one? Now this part equal to 3. How much? 3 plus into 2, 6, 7 by 2. Okay, this part equal to 3.5. Okay. Or what is the value of this one? According to definition of a greatest integer function is 3. Okay, so 3 for any integer, k is 3. Okay. Now second example. Now second one, let us say minus 3 equal to minus of this one equal to minus 3. Now third one, x belongs to real number. Let us say minus 5 by 2. What is the minus 5 by 2? This is equal to minus 2.4. Sorry, 2.5 now? 2.5. So what is that 2.5? Now this is a graph. F of x equal to this function. That is the function. Minus 3 is less than or equal to x is less than minus 2. Now this value lies in this interval. Or we can write minus 3, or we can write, if you convert this one, this is a minus 2 minus 1. This is a minus 2 and minus 1. Or we can directly write minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3. Okay? Now similarly, if x is a integer, let us say, now fourth one, x belongs to integer, let us say 2 and minus 2, let us say. What is the characteristic of 2? Is 2. What is the characteristic of minus 2? Minus 3 is minus 3. So minus 3 minus 2. So is 0. Is integer 0. If let us say is not integer, let us say 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, what is the characteristic of 1 by 2? Second one is 0 less than or equal to 1, x is less than 1, so 0. Okay, similarly minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0. Okay, so this is a minus 1. Okay, now what is the half like this interval? So this is a 0. Minus half like this interval, minus 1 equal to minus 1. Okay, now this are very tips for greatest integer function. Okay, now next one is signal function. A function is said to be signal function if f of x equal to mod x by x. Now this is a definition of a signal function. F of x equal to mod x by x. Okay. Now what is the mod x? We know that mod x equal to x if x is greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. Okay. Now this is a modulus function. Now what is the f of x? Now if you combine these two, so f of x equal to x by x is 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0. Now this is a signal function. What is the graph of the signal function? Now this is a graph 0, 0. When x is greater than 0 is 1. Is 1. That is this is 1. And this is a minus 1 when x is less than 0. Okay. And there are 3 points. One is 0, 1 and minus 1. Now what is the domain of the function? Domain of the function is always equal to real number, or you can write minus infinity plus infinite. And range of the function, only there are 3 elements, g minus 1, 0 and 1. Okay. Now what is the signal function? A function is said to signal function if f of x equal to mod x by x. Now mod x, you already know that signal modulus function is x if x is equal to 0, 0 x equal to 0, minus x if x less than 0, if you divide by x, it becomes 1. Then 0 minus x by x is minus 1. This is the second function. And what is the graph of the function? When x equals 0, this is a y. Now this is a y equal, okay, because y is a function of f of x. Now if x is 0, y becomes 0. When x is greater than 0, up to infinite. So y is a remaining constant. Y is always equal to 1. When x is less than 0, up to minus infinite. What is the y? It is minus 1. So what is the domain? Positive up to infinite, negative up to minus infinite. So minus infinite plus infinite, or you can say write real number. What is the range of the function? There are 3 elements. One is minus 1, 0 and 1. Okay. Now next is now exponential function. Okay. What is the draw the graph and what is the exponential function? Now here exponential function means f of x equal to 8 power x, or you can write f of x equal to e power x. Okay. Now let us say first is f of x to e power x. Okay. This is a function is equal to exponential function. If f of x equal to 8 power x and f of x equal to e power x. Okay. Let us say first one is f of x equal to e power x. What is the e? E is greater than 2. Lies between 2 to 3. Okay. Now this is a graph. X dash, y dash. When x equal to 0, now this is a y. When x equal to 0, y equal to 1. E to power 0 equal to 1. Okay. When x equal to 1, e. When x equal to 2, e square. This one. When x is less than 0, is 1 by this one. Now this is a e to power x. Carve of e to power x. Okay. Suppose when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. When x equal to 1, y equal to e. When x equal to 2, y equal to e square. Dot for a positive value. When x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1 by e. Minus 1, 1 by e. When x equal to minus 2, y equal to 1 by e square. Dot for negative value. Now this is the function called by exponential function, or you can say this is a increase function. Okay. Now, so what is the domain of the function? The domain of the function is x is greater than 0, less than 0 is a real number, or you can say minus infinity to plus infinity. What is the range of function? Is greater than 0, not equal to 0. Okay, 0 to infinity. Only upper up there. Now this is the curve of exponential function. Now next one is 8 power x. Okay. Now f of x equal to 8 power x. Now depends upon a. But a greater than 0, less than 1. What is the value of this one? Then a is greater than 1. There are two cases. One is a lies between 0 to 1. And another is a is greater than 1. Let us say first for a is greater than 1. So what is f of x? F of x equal to 8 power x. Curve is x is less to be a number, then this is a curve. When x equal to greater than 1. A is greater than 1. A is greater than 1 to power x or 2 to power x or 3 to power x. Okay. Not 0 to 1. Okay. Now, when x lies between 0 to 1, a lies between 0 to 1, 0 to 1, then f of x equal to 0 to 1. Let us say 1 by 2. Let us say 1 by 2. 1 by 2 to power x. Or 1 by 2 to power x. This one. Okay. When x equal to 0, is 1. When x equal to 0, what is the y? Is 1. When x is greater than 0, and when x is 0, y equal to 1. Okay. When x equal to greater than 1, this is a okay. When 0 to 1, x equal to 0 to 1. When x equal to 1, this is 1 by, okay. When x equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 1 input take 1 by 2. What is the a? A equal to 0 to 1. When x equal to 0 to 1, then 1 by something, this one. Okay. Now this is the curve of this one. X equal to 0 to 1. And another is, what is the domain of the function? Domain of the function is x is greater than 0 or minus infinity plus infinity. X is the domain, and what is the range of the function? Here this case minus infinity plus infinity. On this case is minus infinity plus infinity. But this case is positive. Okay. Now this is a. Now next one is logarithm function. F of x equal to log x. Okay. X is must be greater than 0. Okay. If equal to 0, logarithm is not defined. Now this is a curve. When x equal to 1, y equal to log 1 equal to 0. When x equal to 0 to 1 is negative. If you take a, let us say x equal to 1 by 2. What is the log of 1 by 2? Log 1 minus log 2. 0 minus log 2 is negative. Okay. When x is greater than 1, this one. Now this is the definition graph of logarithm function. Okay. Now second one is some importance for logarithm function. Okay. Now log base a 1 equal to 0. A is greater than 0, but a is not equal to 1. Log base a equal to always equal to 1, but condition is a is not equal to 1. Log base a xy equal to log a base ax plus log ay. So xy equal to log ax minus log ay. Okay, but a is not equal to 0. Now next one is the reciprocal function. Now reciprocal function means y equal to f of x equal to 1 by x. X is not equal to 0. This is a reciprocal function. Okay. Now draw the graph. When x equal to 0, y is not defined. When x equal to 1 by 10 or 1 by 100, this is 100. Okay. When x is infinite, it becomes 0. Now this one. For positive. For negative, now this one. For positive, for negative. Okay. So what is the domain of the function? Domain of f of x equal to real number but not 0. Because when x is 0, y is not defined, 1 by 0 is not defined. Then range of the function, what is the range? Upper and lower upper. So minus infinity to plus infinity. But not 0. Okay. But not 0. When x tends to infinity, it becomes 0. Okay. Now this is a reciprocal function. What is the domain and range of the function, and what is the graph of the function. Okay. So next class discuss about the composite function. What is the composite function? Function of function. Okay. Thank you.